So hey guys, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate multiple AI images in single click. Instead of writing one prompt, generating one image and repeating the whole process again and again. So first of all, we have to type this Stable Diffusion Automatic on Google. And now you have to tap this first link. This is the official Google link of GitHub. So
guys, this is the most important link, and we have to tap on it. And this is the interface, as you can see. So guys, here we have to select prompts from file or text box, and after selecting it, we need to enter all the prompts for the images. To generate these prompts, we can use any AI tool. In my case, I am using ChatGPT. So first I will clearly define what type of images I want. Then I will describe all the details like theme, style, lighting, mood, background and camera angle for all of the images. And after that, ChatGPT will generate a list of 10 detailed images prompts for me. And once prompts are ready, I will simply copy them and paste them in the text box like this. So just follow my steps, and that's it. Now the system will generate images based on these prompts.